Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to lock screen. Enter screen lock type, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks and 2 biometrics. Let's start with swipe. Now pin, password, none, and pattern. Now we can go to biometrics and set up face unlock. Scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last way to unlock the phone is Fingerprints Unlock. And our fingerprint scanner is right here. Simply tap the scanner multiple times, always adjusting the position of your fingerprint. And it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.